So I've cut it out, the upper and the lower base. So lower base 17.5 inches. So upper 15 inches. So the wideness is 2.7 inches. I will take the upper base, I will divide it into two. Then I will cut out the zip cloth for it. So I've cut out lining for the two base and the long belt 54 inches. So out of the 54 inches, I cut out small pieces for the ring holder. Now I'll be working on the upper base. I will take the lining, I will place it down, then take the zip close, place it on it, right side facing up, and I will take one out of the upper base, I will place it on it, right side facing each other, then I will start stitching it together. After that, I will separate the second zip cloth. Now I will top stitch it. I will do the same to the second upper base. So I'm done with the upper base and I use the zip mouth to join both together. Now I'll be stitching it round together with the lining. I'm done stitching it round. I will trim out the essence lining. Now I will stitch the ring holder to the upper base. Then I will stitch the long strap to the second side. So I will take the lining, I will place it down this way. Then I will take the upper base, I will place it on it right side facing up. Then I will take the lower base, I will take it, I'll place it on it, then I will right side facing each other, then I will stitch it together. If you have been following me on my video on how to make a side bag, don't forget that I do tape this side after stitching before turning it over for top stitching. But in this new video, there is a new method. So instead of me taping it, I will just use the lining to cover it. I will remove the lining from the back side of the upper base. So you can see that the lining has covered it. So instead of me taping it, I've already used lining to cover it. Now I will top stitch it. After that, I will turn it over to this side. Let me now show you the trick I normally do before finishing the second side. So the secret is that before you join it together with the line, first join the two base together first by stitching it together. So this is the front. I only need the front since the measurements for the front and the back side is the same. The reason I'm showing this trick is that sometimes some leather do expand even without adding the sewing allowance, even if you use the exact measurement you get from the front and the back side, you will still have essence. So to avoid that is the reason why I'm showing you this trick. So if there is essence, you will be able to reduce it before joining it to the front and the back side. After joining it together, you can see that it rhymes with the measurement I measured out. Let's assume there is essence now. I will have reduced the lower base. So since there is no essence, I will be using this. Now I will stitch the lining to it. Now I will turn it over for top stitching, then I will use the lining to cover it. Now I'm done sewing the lower base. Now I will trim out the essence lining. I will take the front side of the bag, I will fold it into two, make sure it rhymes with each other. Then after that, I will notch out the midpoint. I will take the base, I will fold it into two. After folding it into two, I will notch out the midpoint both sides. Then I will take the base and the front side, I will place it on each other, notch point to notch point, then I will stitch it round together. After stitching it round, I will use the taping to tape it at once. So I'm done with the front side. You can see I've taped it at once. So the next thing is to move to the back side. I will be doing the same to the back side also. I will take the back side, I will fold it to get the midpoint. After getting the midpoint, then I will stitch it together with the base. Then I will also tape it at once also. So I'm done joining everything together with base. You can see the way it look like. See how neat it was. Full lining. So the next thing now is to turn it to the right side. So this is the right side of it. See how neat it was. Very neat. Now I'll be inserting the belt together with the adjuster. Then after that, I will add my logo to it at the middle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy making your own mail side bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting bag making tutorial and DIY projects. To all my subscribers, returning viewers and supporters, thank you for being here. Your support means the world to me. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. Until next time, stay creative and keep making beautiful things. Bye for now.